at the new CTE lab at Whitehorse Middle School. The idea is that they learn about different careers and then they practice different technologies within the career and see if it's a good fit for them.
Me and my partner are in the design and marketing. We get to do all sorts of really cool stuff about learning about finances, marketing, genuinely how to appeal to somebody through design.
I've been working with engines. I really like doing the engines because it was really hands-on and I like doing things with my hands.
CTE programming is super important for middle schoolers to kind of figure out what they want to do in life, what classes they want to take in high school, what kind of jobs they want to get when they're older, and it gives them the experiences needed to make those decisions.
I'm going to be taking computer science because this class has started and continued my dream to want to make games.
I think it's probably a new interest, but I think it was good that it happened because now I want to do it in high school.
I think it's a wonderful thing for students to kind of have a head start on what they want to do in high school.
I'm actually thinking of majoring in fashion design ever since I started the design and marketing course. It's so fun. And I'm also thinking of minoring in marketing when I go to college. So it's really nice to have this experience so early on, and it gives us so much potential for our futures.